Okay, I have got my Whirlpool extra large capacity washer and dryer. Body's a little rough on these guys, but as far as operation goes, they work like new condition. Just to show you here, we've got it on a heavy load. Working great, real strong agitation. Lid switch works on the spin cycle, which I'll show you. It's doing an excellent job. Sounds great, nice and balanced, so we'll give it a minute to run through its cycle, and when it gets to the spin, we'll come back and I'll show you that it is indeed working like it's supposed to, get some water out of the clothes when it spins, and then we'll move them over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works. Okay, and here we go at full spin speed. See that it's nice and stable. Sounds good. Spinning nice and fast. Lid switch works. Alright, we'll let that go ahead and finish up, and then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer. Okay, so this has finished up. I just want to show you that these clothes are nice and light. Actually very light. It's did a really good job spinning the water out of these clothes. Even on these heavy jeans down here in the bottom, you can see there's no excess water in them whatsoever. And I've got the dryer running so you can hear it empty. Sounds great, and it is heating appropriately. I'll show you here. Got a little heat gun. Pop this open and show you. Coming right out of that heating tube, plenty of heat. And then of course heats up the inside. You get a picture of that right there, just so people can see that it does in fact heat. And let me throw those clothes in there, and then you can hear it with a full load of clothes. Okay, so we got the clothes in there. We'll hit go. Now the bodies on these, typically I would go through and paint if they needed paint, and put them in that like new condition. It's been raining, and rain is in the forecast for the next few days, so I'm actually just going to put these up as is. So there are some, a few rough spots. There's no dents or anything, just a few spots that could be touched up with a little paint. But I'm going to knock about $100 off what I normally charge and get somebody a real good deal, because they do work excellent. They're in excellent shape, and as you can see, they're nice and clean. They have been completely torn down, cleaned thoroughly inside and out, put back together. So they're gonna run a long time, last a long time, and that's really the purpose of these videos, is letting you see that what you're spending your money on does in fact work. But if you're looking for something real pretty, cosmetically pretty, this wouldn't be your set. If you're looking for a set to keep you out of the laundromat, this is your set. So I'm going to save some people some money on it and go ahead and get it listed up. And appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a good day. Thanks.